In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Brackets. Brackets is a great free open source text editor that's great for web design, also for JavaScript, which is what we're going to be using it for. As you can see here, you're going to go to the brackets.io website, and you'll see the download link here. Go ahead and click on that. We're downloading for Windows in this example, so it's possible you might want to download for Mac, and it is available for that operating system as well. I'm going to download it straight to my desktop and save. Probably will show up at the bottom in the task window, and when it's done downloading, you can go ahead and click on that to start running it, open it, and follow the prompts to install. When you click on the link to install, it'll probably open a window that looks like this, Brackets Installer. It's going to ask you where to install it. You can usually just accept the default values, hit Next. And once you get to the screen, click Install. Once Brackets is finished installing, you should see this screen, and click Finish to complete the install. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click on your Start button on your Windows machine, type and search for Brackets. You should see the program pop up here, Desktop App. Go ahead and click that. And the first time you open it, you'll see a default index.html page. Looks something like this. If you want to close this default page, you just simply come over here, put your cursor on the name, and click the X to close it down. Ready to start a new project file, click File, New, and you're ready to start typing your code. Thanks for watching this short video on how to install Brackets.